Hi, I'm Sol with Onshape, and today I'm going to answer the question, how do I create a test or quiz in Onshape? We'll learn how to create a quiz and the different submission options available for it. Let's get started. Using my educator account, I created a classroom called Engineering Fundamentals with some classes in it. Today's class will be Intro to Design. As you can see, I already have some assignments created. To use the Classes and Assignments functionality, you need a free educator account or be part of a paid education enterprise. If you want to learn more about classes and assignments in Onshape, be sure to check our previous videos. To create a quiz, we follow a similar process as if we were to create an assignment. We go to Create Assignments and choose a name. In my case, I'll name it Midterm 1. Below the assignment name, you have a box where you can add instructions. You can choose to add a brief set of instructions here or simply have all of your instructions on a document that you can upload later. If you don't want to upload or provide any additional documents, I would recommend writing all that you want your students to know before the quiz on this box. For my example, I'll add a short set of instructions and then add more specific ones in the main quiz document. Once you assign a name, a new window will pop up with different submission options and document share permissions. Depending on your quiz format, you can change all of these. In this example, I want the students to make a copy of the document guide and then do the quiz there. So I'll choose the second option. It asks me to select a document to upload. I have previously created a folder called Quiz, where I have my guide document. So I'll go in and select it. Now, let's scroll down to the document's share permissions. Since this is not a collaborative assignment, I'll choose the second option, which restricts students to edit their document only. Once everything is selected, let's publish the assignment. To check whether students have submitted or started working on their quiz, go back to the Assignments menu and click on the Student Activity section. Here, you can see the start date, whether they have started or not, and if they have tried to submit multiple times. Now, let's see what it looks like from the student's side. This is what the quiz looks like from a student's perspective. They have access to their own submission document. When they open it, they can see the PDF and have a starting part studio, but they can't share it with anyone else. They have the Submit button available for them at the top of their screen. I hope that helped answer any questions you might have had about how to create a quiz or test in Onshape. If I miss anything or there are other topics you'd like to see covered in future videos, leave a comment below. Thanks, and see you next time! Also, make sure to check out the Onshape Learning Center for more content on teaching and learning Onshape.